Often feeling disorganized lately? Or being overwhelmed to juggle lots of activities? Say no more. Introducing Champion's Life Planner, the all-in-one planner that encompasses life aspects ranging from daily routine, self-care, finances, manifesting projects. First, we'll take a look at daily things where you'll find a pre-made My Daily Routine which tracks your habit progress. Here you can tick the habit item that you've completed. My Daily Routine is divided into 3 tabs which are today, this week and this month. All are made specially for your comfort and convenience. Next, we'll proceed to meal planning section and see how it works. Trust me, it's pretty easy. Press New Meal Plan button as shown in this video, and choose your preferred recipe, as well as your chosen plan date. You'll notice that based on the plan date you chose, the meal plan item is moved into the calendar view right beneath it. That's it. Now we will talk about note-taking section. Inside the page, you can jot down things you've learned today or thing you would like to improve on. Move on to recipes section. You will see a variety of food recipes such as this Thai Tom Yum Goong. You can insert its recipe site link, upload a photo and more. Also, don't forget to jot down all the ingredients and its step-by-step instruction. Together with recipes, you can list down your grocery list for that particular recipe. And to-do list to organize the tasks you need to do. Sliding down to self-care area. First thing you'll see is the buttons to help you organizing the items related to self-care. Reading collection section enables you to store all your reading materials, whether it's an educational ones or anime type. You can put the ratings, author's name, genre, bought date, and more if you like. Sliding down a bit, you can list down your workout routine. The exercise move in GIF format can be found in with Pictures tab. Skincare section shows you what you have currently, and also its price, skincare type, and the usage itself. In wardrobe collection section, your outfit will be organized by brands, collection, type, and favorite. Now we have arrived at photo album collection where you can upload your memories and experience for you to reminisce in the future. Do write down your thoughts and experience so it will be a core memories for you. Next, we'll take a look at manifesting projects. Based on the manifesting goals that you've listed down, we'll break it down so it will be more doable. On the upper portion of the page, you will see 2 action buttons to kickstart the project and support its performance. Project progress section is divided by status such as not started, on hold, and completed. Project item will include duration period and status, so that you'll be able to oversee them clearly. In relation to that, Task Manager will show you the things you need to do related to each respective project. You can drag it from one place to another. This Kanban view has been proven effective for the project-based item. Lastly, Finances page. On top of the page you'll see New Account and New Income buttons, followed by Overview section which displays the finance accounts that you own. Beneath it, this month's income shows you the list of your income items for this month. While this month's expenses shows you the list of your expenses details for the same particular month. This month's budget section, you'll see the legend to indicate your budget status. You'll see the budget category, amount, remaining amount, total expenses. For this year's budget, each tab represents each month. It consists of budget amount, total expenses, remaining budget, and budget status. That's it. Hope it gives you the idea of this planner. Thank you for watching.